Hello friends, my name is CA Jay Pandya. This is a good news for students who are going to appear 12th standard examination in March 2021. They can register for ICAI Chartered Accountancy course right now. Before 1st January 2021, if you get yourself registered in foundation examination, you will be able to give your examination of foundation in May 2021. I will be giving you a full-fledged flow of how you can register for foundation examination and how you can become chartered accountant. This is relevant for the students who are going to appear 12th standard, either science, commerce or arts examination in March 2021. So, say you are right now studying 12th standard. What you need to do is, you need to register for foundation before 1st January 2021. Is it all right? Then you are eligible to give your examination in May 2021 foundation examination of ICAI. Sir, when to register? You can register anytime before 1st January 2021. Once you register yourself, you will be getting a WRO. If you are from Western region, you will be getting WRO number, which will be your roll number, and now you are student of Chartered Accountancy course. So along with your 12th standard, you are also a student of Chartered Accountancy course. Of course, you will be giving your examination in March to May 2021. Because of coronavirus, if the examination is postponed, I have written a full-fledged start. Try to understand then how your flow will go. There are 3 examinations in Chartered Accountancy course. The certificate of CA or you are a chartered accountant is given by an institute which is named as Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. There are 3 examinations in this particular course. First one, as I told you, is foundation. Second one is intermediate. And third examination is final examination. I am writing down the subjects here. There are 4 subjects. 2 are MCQs, 2 are descriptive. Here there are 8 subjects divided into 2 groups, group 1 and group 2. Each group is having 4 subjects. Here also same thing, 8 subjects divided into 2 groups, group 1 and group 2. Again, each group contains 4 subjects. Now, if you appear for foundation examination, if you have registered before 1st January 2021, your foundation examination will be conducted in May 2021. There are 4 subjects. As this is first examination, I am naming the subject. Otherwise, you can go to icai.org and you can find out all the details, which subjects you will be learning, all the points, what is the passing criteria, everything is given. Here there are 4 subjects: accountancy 100 marks, law and communication 100 marks. This both paper 200 marks are descriptive. So as you are writing in your 12th standard examination, you will be writing in same manner. Third paper, mathematics, logic and statistics. Fourth paper, economics and BCK. These 2 papers are MCQ. There will be 100 marks MCQ. You need to get minimum 50% of marks and individual subjects 40% of marks for passing this examination. So when you appear for May 2021 examination, you will be getting your result approximately July 2021 and you will be registering for intermediate. Alright. Now you are student of intermediate. When examination of intermediate will come is May 2020. Say you appear for one group or second group or both the groups of examination, it does not matter. Right now I am assuming you are appearing for both group 1 and group 2 of examination. Then May 2022 your result will come approximately July 2022. This will be your results. Year July 2021 was your results where you are registering for. But between this period, May to July 2022, please understand that there will be trainings. What is this training? This training is termed as ICITSS. ICITSS. When this will come during this period, May 2022 to July 2022. This is integrated course of information technology and soft skills. So what will be taught to you is computers and English. But understand, here there is no examination. Even if they take some small examination, it is very simple. So there is no problem in passing this. You just need to go through it. You need to pay the fees. You need to register for this course. This course is not done by private institute. This course is done by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So if you are in Bhavnagar, you will have to go to Bhavnagar branch of ICAI. If you are at Ahmedabad, you will have to go to Ahmedabad branch of ICAI and do this training. It is 15 to 30 days training which you need to complete. Now, after this training is completed, you will be getting your results. Now comes another training, which is articleship. What is articleship? Try to understand. Articleship is just a training whereby you will be going to a chartered accountant's office. The person who is a practicing chartered accountant, you will be going to his office, working as an employee, and you will be getting stipend for it. This articleship will be registered. There is a articleship rule that you can register for your articleship if you have passed at least one group of your examination and you have completed this ICITSS training. You will be registered in approximately August 2022. When this articleship will be getting completed is August 2025. But before it, please understand, you have registered for your articleship, you have completed this training, then you will have to get yourself registered for finals. When you will be getting registered for your finals, once you get a result of intermediate, when you pass both group of intermediate, say I'm assuming you are passing both group of intermediate, then after articleship registration, you can, it will be simultaneously, so approximately it will be August 2022 when you will be registering for your finals. When your final will be due, your final will come in May 2025. Again, both group, I am assuming you are giving it together and you will be getting approximate result in July 2025. Yet this August 2025 is not still came. But before this period, that is in 2023 and 2024, any point of time in 23 or 24, you need to do one more training, which is AICITSS. Again, what is taught is computers and soft skills, but it is advanced integrated course of information technology and soft skills. Again, this is done at ICAI. No private institute can do it. You will have to go to ICAI branch of your city, undertake this training. Again, this examination portion is somewhat difficult because you need to pass it. This training portion you just need to go through. This will improve your information technology, that is computers, English. What articleship training will teach you is practical approach. They'll teach you, your employer will teach you accountancy, auditing, income tax, company law. All this training your employer will be giving, who will be a practicing chartered accountant. So in 2023-24, you need to complete AICITSS. After completion of this, in May 2025, you will be appearing for final examination. You will be getting result in July 2025. And after completion of all this, July 2025, you will be getting both group passing result of your CA final. This true training you have completed. You will be completing your articleship August 2025. Once you complete all theoretical trainings, these trainings are theoretical training. These trainings are practical training. There is only one, which is articleship. Once you complete all your theoretical trainings, your practical training, that is your articleship, and you have passed both group of final examination, you will be awarded a degree which is termed as CA. Practically, you are becoming member of this institute. And member of this institute in layman terms is termed as chartered accountant. You will be getting membership certificate. If you want to open your own office, you can get even certificate of practice. Is it all right? So this is a workflow for this is a flow for a student who is going to appear in 12th standard examination in March 2021. So those students who are right now studying 12th standard, they are having golden opportunity to register for a most valuable course in India, that is chartered accountancy course. For any of the queries, you can call me. My number is on the screen.